Hello friends, today I am going to show you a simple circuit which will turn on this bulb whenever someone enters from here, like this way. Suppose this is the door and this equipment or these two sensors are installed at the door. When someone enters the door, this will show the number of people who are inside this room, okay, who are inside this room. And as soon as even a single person enters, this bulb will be turned on. Now, this counter will increase when person is entering one by one, and when they start leaving in this fashion, the counter will decrement. And when it turns again to zero, that means when nobody is inside the room, the bulb will automatically turn off. I will need two power sources because this circuit runs at 5 volt. One power source is for running this circuit. Another power source I will need to run this relay because it is a 12 volt relay. This is a relay board that I have made actually. It has two relays, but for this circuit only this relay is required. Okay, now let me power on and show you how it works. First I will power the circuit, the main circuit. Now I will power on the relay. Here we go. Okay, you can see the counter variable is 0, bulb is off. Now let me show you what happens if someone enters the room. Okay, now let me show you. Suppose if someone is entering like this, you can see the counter has incremented by 1 and the bulb is on. Now let me show you what happens if the second person is entering. You can see I am moving my hands from here. Nothing, actually nothing has happened, only it is counting 2, that means number of person inside this room is 2. Bulb is still on, no changes at all. Third person enters the room, fourth person enters the room, fifth person enters the room. Okay, 5% is inside this room and nothing has happened at all. The bulb is still on. Now let me see what happens if they start coming out of the room. Okay, and say many times we forget to switch off the bulb. Now let me see what happens. Okay, here we go. The first person who has entered the room is now coming out in this way. The count variable has gone, has decremented by 1. It signifies that 4 person is still inside this room. Now second person come out, third person comes out, fourth person comes out. Many times happens that we forget to switch off the light. For say this person has also forgot to switch off the light, and let's see what happens. He is just coming out of this door like this, you can see it, but this bulb has automatically switched off. Okay, this is the circuit what I have made.